Today I'll quickly show you how to use a breast pump to collect breast milk. A breast pump is especially helpful when traveling, when you need to feed your baby in public, or if breastfeeding feels uncomfortable due to sensitivity. First, place the flange on your breast and make sure it seals properly over the nipple to create suction. Then begin pumping by squeezing the handle. Once the vacuum is formed, milk will start flowing into the container. This pump is great because the container is large enough for multiple feedings and the design is comfortable and gentle. After pumping, breast milk can be stored in the fridge for up to 24 hours, but it's best if given within 3 to 4 hours for freshness. If you're going out, consider using a small portable cooler to keep the milk cold. Breastfeeding and pumping are a journey. Take your time and find what works for you. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.